Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learner's Gate. In this video we will talk about definition list. Definition list is an element which contains the definition term and the definition of that term. So I will show you in this video how to use definition list in HTML. We will open our text editor. We will start coding. There is a term DL which represents definition list. Inside definition list there is another tag which is DT, definition term of a definition. The term of definition is Pakistan. Then we will end our definition term, and now we will define Pakistan. So Pakistan is like a heading. Then we will start our definition. We will end our definition. Now we will start another definition term. So there was our definition. Now we will end our definition list tag. We will end our body. So there's the output. Pakistan and India is the term of definition, and there's a definition of that term. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.